first time going to grind something with this one. So ginger and garlic.
Very correct.
Now I'm a Nigerian girl. What's your name? I'm Amaka.
Yeah, everything is going to blend. Just keep blending the party.
Okay.
Wow.
This one you
It's
can
like
stay
this.
for.
It's like all this party stew. Very nice.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EfyaKimora here, and today I'm here in Nigeria. I'm living with boys alone, and today I decided, or he told me to, which is which.
I said you should do
Said I should prepare Ghanaian food. So we're going to do some stew. He has already prepared the rice, so I'm going to do the stew. So a Nigerian girl cooking Ghanaian
I want to
stew.
test. I want to test the Ghanaian stew.
The Ghanaian stew. So I'm going to do the Ghanaian stew. So guys, let's get right into the video. But I'm going to use the Nigerian ingredients and their process, like everything. So let's go. Okay, so I'm living with boys, and today I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to cook. It's actually cook Ghana stew. They wanted to cook Nigeria stew, so they bought lean, but I don't think I'm going to use this one. I don't know what it is. I'm going to do it the Ghana way. So the kitchen is set for me. I'm going to do the cooking, starting with the meat, the chicken. I'm going to steam then fry it.
No worry, I'll be here to guide you.
Okay. So now this is the chicken. I'm doing the pepper, ginger, and the garlic for the steaming. So I'm on it. Is it? Yeah, so we started. So right now I'm done with the peeling of this thing.
So, okay.
I'm going to grind it.
Yeah, and you're currently, this is called Odo.
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 In Igbo language. But in English, they call it mortar.
Mortar, yeah. In peso.
Yeah,
And this one you call it? Or it's the same part of it?
That is how I know it.
Okay, so we don't use this one to grind pepper. You use the asanka. Have you seen that before?
What is that, asanka?
Asanka, earthenware bowl. I don't know if you travel to Ghana, you see. You grind it, you don't do like this.
Is it like a stone or something?
It's made with sand.
Made with sand?
Not any sand, they have a special sand that they
really?
use it. Yeah. So that's what I used to grind. We don't do this. So this is my first time going to grind something with this one. So ginger and garlic. Yeah. I forgot to add my onions. So let me do it fast. Then add it to it. I'm going to make Ghana proud, you.
She's making Ghanaian stew now.
Yeah, Ghanaian stew.
I mean, they said, there was this argument then now that Ghana, that you get jollof rice is more.
Yeah,
it's more sweeter than Nigeria. Let me test you guys.
You test my stew, You okay?
Let me
Even
test
if
you
we
guys
finish and the stew is, I'll just cook jollof for you to eat. Yeah, I hope you trust me, guys. I'll not disappoint you, Ghanaians.
After you make your own, if I'm free, I'll still make my own.
You make your own, Okay.
Oh no, I think I'll bring the lady that will do it, not me.
You don't want to disgrace the Nigerian.
No.
Okay, so sharp. Let me quickly peel off my onion, then add it. Oh shit. So now this is it.
You bring it down?
I'll bring it down.
Yeah, because of the...
Yeah. Hope I'm doing it right.
Very correct.
Now I'm a Nigerian girl. What's your name? I'm Amaka.
Ikechi, let me
Ikechi. Okay, I have to read it. So this thing grind with this one?
Yeah, everything is going to blend. Just keep blending it until
okay.
It's kind of smooth. Like it's kind of yeah.
Okay.
Just keep matching it.
So this is what we got afterwards. So you're going to add it to this one. I'm going to add salt, and he didn't know that we add salt to the chicken.
No, I didn't know you add
salt.
All the whole ginger and garlic inside it.
Ginger, pepper, no, not pepper, ginger, garlic, and the onion mixed with this one, and I've added salt to it. So we are going to steam it. Yeah, and you say you don't add the ginger to this one.
No, you fry it.
You fry the ginger separately.
You fry like when you're making the stew.
Okay, you fry the chicken
before we put this tomato
in the.
Yeah, we fry it.
So how do you steam this one? The chicken.
How do we steam? Just put like me. I don't know, but what I do, I just put Maggi and salt, and then I put fresh.
You put it on this one,
yeah.
And then you put this one on fire to steam a little.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, this one will give it taste, even if you don't add Maggi.
Really?
Yeah. So you turn on the fire for me.
Let's use this one. Try more this time.
Because the light is changing. The person add a lot of water to this one.
And I told him not to add.
Okay, okay, guys, it's left with the frying of the fish. But you see here it's dark. We are using torchlight. Whilst preparing the food, the light is fine. They switched it off yesterday. It came for few, not even 1 hour. It went off again. Then it came again this morning to light out. Wow, this is Nigeria. So now let's do our thing. For the light out, I think it's cool for them. They don't talk. If it's Ghana, we start shouting, hey, light out! Yesterday, light out! Today, too, light out! Why? They'll start doing demonstration. But Nigeria, I think the light out, they are used to it. They are used to the light out. So after, you're going to fry the chicken as you see. That's it. So you see it when it's done, okay? So the light is back now.
Light is back.
It's so crazy. Wow. So we are done with our fish. So when we are starting the fish, the light went off. We are done, the light is in. Yeah. The oil is plenty. Okay guys, so we are done. That's the tomato stew and chicken. So we are done. So I'm going to serve them for them to taste. There's no Maggi, nothing. So now we are done. The stew and the rice. I wasn't the one who prepared the rice. Soboro. Is it Soboro? Your name? Sopru. Chuku. Okay, Sopru Chuku prepared the rice. Yeah, there is no oil, just the rice like that. Yeah, I like my rice with oil, like small oil. This is not perfume rice, right? It's local rice. The perfume rice is the one that in the bag, like the foreign rice.
All the rice comes in the bag.
Yeah. Okay, but this one, the face is, the eye is too big.
No, it's a Nigerian rice.
Nigerian rice, so okay. So now the food is ready and we are going to serve it. And he's going to taste my Ghanaian stew for the first time.
Well?
Yeah, here?
Let me see how it is.
No Maggi, just salt. Is it bad? Or not that bad?
Let me see this thing. Let me.
Hey, you're not feeling it, eh?
I'm not feeling it yet. Interesting.
You are telling lies. You're not feeling it. You want the Maggi, and the Maggi is not in.
It's nice, no.
You are telling lies.
I didn't pick it from the beginning, right?
Oh, no problem. Don't like it this way.
The stew is well cooked here.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one you
It's
can
like
stay
this.
for.
It's like all this party stew, man. Very nice.
Should I do? You've never eaten rice. Me, I eat rice. I like eating rice.
You see why I love to travel. Like
you experience a lot. Yeah. You've never ever eaten rice with your hand.
Never.
Okay.
In fact, I'm shocked. Like
you're shocked seeing me eating rice. Guys, see, this Nigerian guy is shocked seeing me eating rice with my hand. Wow. This was so lovely. I bet you they really enjoyed my stew, my Ghanaian stew. One Africa, one love. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, and also if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so and share to your friends and loved ones. Until we meet again in my next video, it's your girl EfyaKimora. I love you and bye bye.